welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. If you're new or reoccurring and haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing that. On today's episode, I am making vanilla cupcakes with cream cheese frosting on top. I love making desserts. I love it. It makes me so happy to make desserts it's the greatest thing to do. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need to create this yummy vanilla cupcake to start off with, because we don't need the frosting just yet. So let me show you what exactly you need right now to create these cupcakes. So what you need is a cup of sugar, a cup of butter that has been softened, 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to need your 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for this. The first thing you want to do is get your mixing bowl and you're going to dump your cup of butter in there. Now you're going to whisk it all together with a mixer. I'm going to put on a number 1 to start off with and then go to number 2. You add in your sugar. You're going to add in your sugar and you're going to mix it in there. Just like that. Now you are going to add in your 4 eggs. So one at a time, not all 4. One at a time. So the first one. You would want to break. Sometimes they are a bit stubborn. You got to make sure you don't get any egg shells in there, because you don't want people eating eggshells. That is gross beyond belief. Trust me, I've done it. I've eaten them before. It's pretty gross. Okay, now you are going to, I keep moving around. You're going to incorporate that all in. You're going to mix it all in. You add in the next egg. Oh yeah, that one cracked a lot easier than before. By far. Just put that there. And then you mix it in. Okay, next one. 3rd egg. Boom. Plop. There it goes. Bada bing, bada boom. Goes right in. Now the last egg. Plop. Just like that. There we go. Okay. Now you're going to add your milk in. Your nice 2 tablespoons of milk. Your vanilla extract for flavor. Your baking powder. And of course the main ingredient of all, your flour. Just want to mix it in slowly. There we go, it's all in. Now I'm going to turn it to a number 2 to make this go a little faster. Now, if you find this a little too thick, you can add in a little bit of more milk. I'm just going to add in a little bit. There we go. A little more milk. I still think it's going to come out excellent. So I'm going to move this to the side. Put it there. And there we go. We got our nice cupcake batter. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your little molds for your cupcakes or your paper, whatever you're using. I'm using these little molds. I'm going to put some coconut oil in them just to baste them, so, well, not baste them, just so that they don't get, so that the cupcakes don't get stuck in there. Just want to move it around in there, just so that they don't get stuck. Okay, there you go. Now that you got that done, you're going to add in your cupcake batter. I'm using a 1/4 cup because it is easy to measure it out when you're doing this. Just want to add it in there. You just shake it down so it can get all the way down there. You want to try to fill it not all the way, but as much as possible to the top of it. Ooh, oh, there goes some batter. Well, it happens. Okay, if you don't find this is working, you can use a spoon, a teaspoon, whatever you want to use. Okay, I'm going to use a teaspoon. Might be just a little bit easier to get it all in there. Inside our cupcakes. So now we're going to add them into the oven at 350 for 16 to 18 minutes or until the top is golden brown. You don't want to burn them. Please do not burn them. So watch them every few minutes so that you don't burn them. 16 to 18 minutes. Check at 16. If it's still not done because you stuck a toothpick right in the middle and it's still gooey, then cook it for the extra 2 minutes. So let's go stick it in the oven right now. Now I'm going to show you how to make the cream cheese frosting. What you're going to need is 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a cup of butter, and you're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese. I added them together because I'm going to mix them together right away. So the 8 ounces of cream cheese is about 225 grams of cream cheese, in case you are wondering. So the first thing you're going to do is mix these two together and beat them up softly, and then you're going to add in the rest. So let's go with that. Now time to add the powdered sugar. All that nice 4 cups of powdered sugar. Oh, gotta lower it a little bit. We're going to try this with our finger. That is amazing. Amazing. It is. Truly amazing. So now what I'm going to do is transfer them into 3 separate bowls. And I'll tell you why in a bit. Here are my 3 bowls. 2 and 1. Now you want to scrape it into the bowls evenly as possible. One giant scoop there. Going to need a little teaspoon for this. If you don't have a teaspoon, it's fine to use a fork for this part, because you're going to need your food coloring. Okay, so the first one is going to be blue. So you're just going to add a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drops of blue, and you're going to mix it in. See, it came out sky blue, just the way I wanted it. But you gotta make sure it's all mixed in, because you don't want to mix it into your other 2 bowls when you're doing 2 different colors. So I'll be right back. I'm going to wash this off and use it again. I am back with my nicely washed fork. Wow, I can't talk today. Now I'm going to use pink. Okay, so we're going to move this one out of the way. Man, that is good, and I'm not supposed to eat it because of the sugar. But 6 drops of pink onto this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, well, it might be red, actually, but we shall see what happens when we mix this. If it comes out red, it comes out red. That's fine. There we go. Our pink icing. Perfect. Be right back again. So, now we can move this one out of the way and not have to deal with it right now. So now, you want to make green. Let's see. Well, we don't have green, so we're going to try... Oh, this might be green. Interesting. Okay, it is green. So then 6 drops of green. And there we go, 6 drops of green. And you do the same thing. You mix it all in. Voila! Green! We've done it! We are the champions! That's all over my fingers too. But that's okay. Okay, now the cupcakes are ready to be decorated. They have been cooled off and they're nicely done. Okay, if you see a little bit of excess, that's a little bit crispy, just take it off. It's fine. Now, my favorite part is decorating them. Why? Because I just love doing this. So, I got 3 different colors here and I'm going to swirl it on to the cupcakes. So you're going to squeeze it on. This is a lot more difficult than you think, but it is fun. The best part of all of this. Might not be perfect, but that's how it comes out. Okay, it's missing a little bit, but that's fine. You can just fix the edges by going around it. And there you go. Your cupcake is done. So you're going to do that with all 12 of them. Plain and simple and easy. And for the pièce de résistance, the final ending, you get to sprinkle it with different colors. So, I got 12 of them, and I got 3, well, there's 4 colors here. So you know what? I'm going to use the 3 that I've used here, but I'm going to put 1 of them on each. So, 4 cupcakes are going to be blue, 4 are going to be pink, and 4 are going to be green with sprinkles. So we're going to add the green sprinkles on here. Just lightly sprinkle it on. And there you go. You got a delicious cupcake that is perfectly done. And I bet it's going to taste amazing. But I can't have it because there's sugar in there. But it looks amazing. It looks so good. Smells amazing too. I truly hope that you enjoyed watching this video and hit that thumbs up button, please. This is amazing. This is actually the first time I've actually made cupcakes like this. Now, actually, that's not true. No, actually, it is true. It's the first time I've made cupcakes from scratch, literally. I've done it from a box before, but I've done it from scratch for the first time today. So please hit that thumbs up. I'm looking for 50 thumbs up. I know we can get it. I know we can. Also, please share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias because this is an awesome treat for you guys. Also, comment below. If there's a dessert you want me to make, put it in the comments below, or even a meal. Just put it in the comments below. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Sinkovitz and part of Jay's Squad. And also, remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.